Vijay from Techie Gang. So as of now, you have seen how to register free domain, how to get free hosting plan and configure. That we have already done with last my two videos. And today I'm going to show you how to install WordPress. It's a free tool. How to install it in your website with the help of Cpanel. And after installation of website, how to build website and totally completely free of cost with all the initial features, and that you can publish globally and everybody can access that your website. So let's start. Okay, to start the installation of WordPress in your domain, first we need to open our uh, hosting plans cpanel where we have registered our domain. So you can see that in my browser I have opened three tab, where is one is freenom, where you can see my all uh, domains, and which is registered in infinity.net site. And as of now we have done the configuration, so I have opened that site. My site name is my site demo.ga. As you can see, the first landing page is coming infinity free. What is the mean of that? It means domain is registered here and we are open to, or we are able to open the site. Now this is not the default site of WordPress. Basically it's a default site of infinity free. So what we need to do, first we need to open our infinityfree.net site. In that we have to open the cpanel. So I'm going there. As I can see, my three sites are there. So right now we are talking about which site? The my demo site. Okay, my demo site is here. You can see that. What we need to do, we have to go in a manage. Under the manage, you can see they're giving four options. So we'll go in a control panel. As I told you, we have to go in a control panel. So here you can see the lot of options to control your all the domains. These are the features basically. So we are going under the software section, this Cpanel apps installer. Under this, once you click that, it will open the set of all the software which is currently available in our cpanel. If it is not available, you can download from any site and we can install it here. So you can see the first stop is our WordPress. Just click on this. Once you click here, it will give some options. Maybe you have already installed and you want to uninstall, so that option is also there. But because we have not installed, so option is coming to install it. So what I need to do, simply we have to press the install button. So it is saying this 0.4. Okay, that's fine. And protocol is HTTP, that's fine. Choose our site, that's fine. Fantastic. No need to go with anything. Okay, site name is saying my blog. If you want to, you can see that my first site it will look like. Later on you can change this, no problem. And this is the admin. See, to make any changes in your website, you have to go with the WordPress only. So WordPress is giving option you one user ID and password. User ID is called domain and this is the password, so which you can do the password. Suppose I am giving my password uh, okay, so your email ID will be admin at the rate my site demo.ga. User ID will be admin, password whatever you give that. Okay, that's all. So all is done. Okay, now here it is giving the default site. So it's giving the options, which kind of interface you want, like this or this. If you can do move next, you can dot also see that. It depends on the like what kind of sites you want. That later on also you can change it, but here he is giving the option consultate constructions law expert. So I want to see the for example doctors clinical sites. So let me select this. Okay, and now install it. So what will happen? Oops, the connection was lost, no problem. So never, no need to install the passwords. Okay, do it again. It might be going to install that, no worry. So just wait for some time. It will take some time to, as you can see, it's mentioned here 100% to be reached, 3 to 4 minutes. Meanwhile, we can check it how it's look like. It should not look like earlier because installation is going on. Okay, that's fine. Let's do that. Pause. So now it is completed. So as you can see, your site is ready. So what we can do, we can open in the site. Earlier it was look like this because as per hosting page, now it is, I have opened after that to, yeah, my first site as you given that. So, and this is the title description we have given, and we have selected this. So it is coming like that. As you can see, our site name is coming my site demo.ga, and this is the site. So now your site is ready now. And suppose if you want to make some changes here, so as I told you during the installation, you find one URL, and you can open that. The administration, your administrative WordPress administration login will be like this. So it's very simple URL, your domain URL and WP admin. And for this, user ID is admin, as you have remembered. So you have to put admin, and the password I given. You can, oh, so I might forget my password. Don't know. Yeah, I've not forget. So it is open now. It is my the WordPress in admin mode where site is publishing. So your site is ready now that you can look it in that. So you have to be understand like this site is published. This site is published for everyone. So as till that now, if you want to make it as a under construction, that we have to use some plugin. But in